Wild Wing Farms offers a mix of recreational land, income-producing cropland, and CRP acreage. This 188-acre property includes 77 acres of tillable land, 24 acres enrolled in CRP, and 87 acres of recreational land that includes rolling terrain with a stunning mix of hardwoods, creek, low ground, and approximately 2,300 feet of shoreline on private King Lake. Located 6 miles southwest of Litchfield and just an hour's drive from the western edge of the Twin Cities, this end-of-the-road location makes for an excellent getaway. Whether you're a recreational enthusiast looking to develop a rural residential property or a farmer expanding your operation, this property is perfect for you. This property provides prime habitat for deer, turkey, pheasants, and waterfowl. Hardwoods, creek, low grounds, grasslands, and frontage on King Lake provide superior habitat, bedding areas, and numerous locations for future food plots. Well-maintained trails sprawl throughout the 188 acres, and there are public lands and lakes in the area for additional hunting and fishing opportunities. New buyers will have the opportunity to farm or lease the land in 2023. A 3-day online-only auction is scheduled for March 7th through March 9th, 2023. For a qualified showing, please contact Bryce Hedrick at 320-894-4538 or Dave Johnson at 507-550-0545.